mind my little bees right there. What? What? What is goody, y'all? It's your girl, Eva K. And I'm back at it one more again, here with another slay. Boo. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on the thumbnail and seeing what I had to talk about. And for all my A1s since day one, what it do, boo? Now, for you newbies, I would love for you guys to be a part of the Eva K fam. And to do that, boo, all you gotta do is click that little red subscribe button. I'll wait on you. Here we go. All right. Thanks, babe. So today we are going to be reviewing a unit that has been pretty popular in these YouTube streets, and that is the BAM Butta Lace. Yeah, Butta Lace number 3. Y'all, no lie, I have been sitting on this unit for at least 2 weeks. Your girl just been running these YouTube streets. What else, you know? So stick around, buckle up, and let's get ready for this synthetic ride, boo. If you are interested in the unit that I have on, yes, it is giving me so much life. I will leave the link to this beauty right here. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. All right, so we have Miss BL3. That's what I'm gonna call her, BL3. Butta Lace 3 in the color T4 Hazel. So that basically means she starts off with that T4 color and goes down into this beautiful hazel color. So I love that the T4 is all the way through the unit too. Look at that, sis. I'm not gonna manipulate these waves too much though, because I have a feeling she gonna get big as heck. Yeah. Also wanted to show you guys the inside of the cap. So of course you see that's the part right there, the lace, that ashy Butta Lace, but it's okay, we gonna take care of that, sis. Let's talk about these 2 baby combs in the front. Y'all, I ain't never seen no combs that small. That's so cute. And the 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. 1 right there and 1 right there. And they were throwing these wigs together, y'all, so much so that they sewed this little part together right here, so I can't tighten it. But that ain't no problem for your girl though, cause my head too big, girl. I ain't gonna need all that. I ain't gonna need all that, girl. All right, let me tell y'all a little bit more about BL3. So of course y'all know she's from Sensationnel or Sensational, depending on what part of town you're from. She features wider parting, which I just showed y'all, ear-to-ear lace, virtually undetectable HD lace. She is heat safe, up to 350 to 400 degrees. They claim it's 100% premium fibers. Girl, they said it. She pre-plucked, girl. We gonna see what is on the inside. So they showing you what normal lace look like in their Butta Lace. And yeah, pre-plucked baby hairs, natural density hairline, blends with most skin tones. Ear-to-ear lace with the wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area. Okay, so I am going to cut the lace off of this unit and take this one off, put this one on. Before I go, let me show y'all these other colors. And yeah, let's get it in. Let's do this. I got to give it to Sensational, coming through with the Butta Lace. Your girl is excited. I'm excited. Look at that lace. Look at that. Yes, it is ashy, but legit, you could see you can see my wig grip. That's what you can see. But Y'all, this is legit. I'm loving the sparse baby hairs, and those knots are easily covered up. The little knots from the baby hairs is what I'm talking about. But they gave us a pre-plucked hairline. Y'all, I'm here for it. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And y'all, she's big head friendly. Oh, girl. Yes, girl. So I am going to take my Even Tint spray because I finally found it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. We're gonna take this off, and we just gonna spray her up good. So the Eben came through for your girl. I am loving it. All right, so yeah, this is Butta Lace 3. Y'all, look how long she is. I just gotta show y'all. This girl is long. Don't mind my stuff. Look at how long she is, y'all. Like, I'm 5'10". I'm 5'10", and this mug is on my booty. Like, girl, this is wintertime hair. All day long. Every day. Winter hair. That's what she is. Cause boo-boo. Down here in the South, yeah, no, this is a whole wrap for the summer. But she's not heavy. She's not heavy at all. I'm scared to comb her out because I do believe I would look like a little poodle. So we're not gonna comb her out. I'm not even, no, we're not doing that, sis. No, even though I want to. She did shed a lot. Okay, she's still shedding. I had this big hunk come out of her, but I think that had to been like packaging because that was the only piece that I got out of her like that. But she does shed a little, y'all. She's shedding. Let's see. And she's shedding some more. So they got it right with the lace this time. Y'all can't even tell me that this lace ain't what's up. This lace is what's up. It is butter, baby. They ain't lied with that. It is butter. Even before I did the spray, she was still winner in my book. She's big head friendly, definitely beginner friendly, because I ain't done nothing to her. All I did was cut the lace. All you got to do is cut the lace, put a little spray. If you don't have any spray, sis, you could use some of your foundation powder. Your foundation or your powder. If you use your foundation, sis, bloop, put your foundation on a little paper towel or something. You know what I'm saying? Get a nice little going on and just dabble. Or you can use your brush. Your foundation brush. Go on the inside of your lace with your brush. Get it in there. You know what I'm saying? The spray is just an easy fix. Sally Hansen leg tan spray. If you ain't got none of this, none of the foundation, Sally Hansen leg tan spray. You get it at Walmart, boo. Yeah, she's heat safe. I done showed y'all the 360 of this joint. What else you want from me, baby? You want me to lay her down? You want me to lay her down? Must say that, yeah, like butter, baby. Oh, Okay. Whew. What was I about to say? Ghoul. I'm excited. Y'all, I am excited. Trying not to disturb this pattern too much. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. How cute, right? So let me just put y'all on real quick. I don't know why I didn't think about it, because I've used the airbrush legs before, but with this spray, it's just like makeup, you know. When I was laying down the baby hairs on this side, I made the mistake of putting the gel up here, and it smeared that dang tint spray into the lace. I mean, into the baby hairs. I don't like no messy baby hairs. I don't like no caked up mess sitting on my head anywhere. So let me just let y'all know that, or just, I guess, just put that out there like that, you know what I'm saying? Because I knew it, but I wasn't thinking about it. So just in case you didn't know it, there you go, sis. Free gift from me to you. Yeah, but that, the only con to this unit is that it sheds. And of course, it's gonna tangle, sis. I mean, I can't really get my hands through it right now. I'm not gonna go all the way up here, girl, because then we have a whole mess on our hands. Ain't nobody got time for that. I know y'all ain't finna sit through me trying to unmess a mess. Yeah. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all those good things. Also, if you open that little description box down below, it will show you all the colors that this beautiful unit comes in. I'll also leave a link to multiple sites that sell this unit. And guess what else you can find down there, sis? A link to follow me on Instagram, girl. So you can check out all my slays, and I'll try to make sure that I blend this out better before posting a picture of me in her. So yeah, what should we name her, y'all? Butta Lace 3? I don't think that's catchy. I don't know. That's my name for her right now, girl, is dang. Just good. Campbell. Bam! Just like that. I'm so excited. I'm sorry. Oh, let me turn it down. Okay. I pray that God continues to keep y'all, cover y'all, bring y'all right back to me for the next videos, my babies. I love y'all. So I just have to say that this HD, it's not HD, what is it? Oops, sorry. Oh, duh, Butta Lace. Oh, y'all, I got that, what you call it? I touched up my makeup because I was sweating, and I got the Addams Family. What was the mom's name? I forgot. But I got all of that going on. You want me to lay her down? You want me to lay her down? All right, girl, I'll lay her down. Sis, we not laying her down. I was just playing. We not laying her down, sis. I'm sorry. It's late, my time, and I'm finna go to bed. But if you want to know how to lay a lace down, I'll show you in another video. I'll leave it down below. Check that out. Oh, God.